In primetime news this evening, suitable or not, Port Royal residents raise concerns about where they are to be relocated.
The development of Port Royal is for all.
In from the cold, PNP firebrand Dr. Dayton Campbell reinstated in the shadow cabinet. Killing rampage continues. Gunmen cut down 2 in St. Andrew, while son alleged to have killed father now on the run. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, we all know that China has increased investments in the Caribbean region. Well, a recent investigation revealed that several Caribbean countries are more indebted to the Asian powerhouse. And I'll have more on that in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer Darlington, who will tell us what's happening in the world of sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the Reggae Girls are about to get an interim head coach. Who is that individual? We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you believe enough was done to integrate the people of Port Royal in the development of the town?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.